In this video, I will show you how you can use and set up a proxy in AdsPower antidetect browser. Now here you can see my AdsPower account dashboard, and here at the top you can see one of my browser profile, and here at the middle under IP you can see this proxy has been set up with this profile browser. Now in order to set up a proxy, first you need to create a profile browser. So at the top left, click on new profile. Now at first give a name to your profile. So for whatever purpose you are creating this profile, just name it accordingly. Now for example, we're gonna be creating this browser profile for Amazon account. So I'm gonna name it Amazon and then just select all these profile details. If you want to watch an in-depth tutorial video on that, I already have created a video. I will link it in the description. You can check that out, how you can create and set up your profile browser step by step. Now once you name it, selected your browser OS and filled all these details. Now let's move on to the proxy section. Now under proxy, we are given three options: custom, shipped proxy and proxy provider. Now the first option, which is we are going to be choosing and mostly everyone going to be selecting. But if you have shipped any proxies, then you can select your shipped proxy in this section. And if you go to proxy provider, you can choose any kind of proxy from this list and you can purchase it and you can use it in this way. But the best option for us is to use custom proxy. So let's select on custom. Now under custom, first you have to select your proxy type. Now here you will get all these protocols: SSH, HTTPS, HTTP, SOX5. Now here you have to select the protocol that you are getting from your proxy provider. But if you are confused about all these protocols, let me briefly explain it to you. SSH proxy actually use an encrypted tunnel for secure remote access but not needed for most proxy setups. And HTTPS is really encrypted for security and great for logging into accounts. And HTTP is mostly used for web browsing. It's very simple and fast. And SOX5 proxy actually is more flexible one and it supports gaming, torrenting and other better privacy. But here most people choose HTTP because it's easy and works well for browsing. But if you want more privacy and broader support for different type of internet traffic, then SOX5 is a great option. So here I'm gonna be selecting HTTP. Now once you selected your proxy type, next importantly you have to enter the host and port of your proxy. So now here visit the website where you have bought the proxy or got it for free. And then there you can select any proxy that you want to set up in AdsPower. For example, here I'm going to be selecting the last one, which is based in Germany. And here you can see it has a proxy address, port, username and password. I have to copy all these details and I have to paste in AdsPower in order to set up the proxy. So I'm going to copy all these proxy details and then we'll go back to AdsPower. So once you copied all your proxy details, at first you have to enter the host. So in this case, I'm gonna enter the IP address here. So the proxy I got is actually a data center proxy. These are actually hosted on big servers and uses static IP address. So if you are getting data center proxy, you have to enter the IP address here. But if you are using a residential proxy, then that works actually differently. Instead of using a single IP like this, they actually use a gateway address which acts as an entry point to a network of a real residential device. Now different providers have different gateway format. So for example, if you are buying residential proxy from Smart Proxy, then their host is gate.smartproxy.com. If you are buying from IP Royal, their address is like residential.iproyal.com. So for residential proxy, you have to enter the specific gateway address instead of adding a fixed IP like data center proxy. And that address you can find on the exact proxy that you are going to be using. Now once you enter the host, write to it, enter the port and then the username of the proxy and then password. Now once you filled all these important details, most importantly you have to check the proxy connection if it is working or not. So here just click on check proxy. And that is the connection test has been passed. That means this proxy is working. Now we have successfully entered and used our proxy information. Now next you have to select your platform. So as this browser profile is for Amazon account, we're going to be selecting amazon.com. And now under fingerprint, you can tweak all these settings. And for that, I have already made a separate video. You can watch that in the description. I will link it. Now once you finish setting up your proxy, to save this browser profile, just click on OK at the bottom. And now your new browser profile with your selected proxy will be created. And here you can check and edit the proxy information of your selected browser profile. So that's it. That's how you can set up a proxy on AdsPower antidetect browser. Now I have a paid sale offer for you. If you are not upgraded to any plan, then you can get up to extra 15% off on any plan by using this code Internet Tutorials. And you can use this discount code by clicking on the referral link I have provided in the description. And whenever you're ready to purchase, you can just use this discount code and get extra 15% off on any plan. For example, on standard plans, if you are getting 40% off, by using this code, you can get up to 55% discount. So whenever you are ready to upgrade, click the link I have provided in the description and comment section and use this code and start using AdsPower for your beginners. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.